Hey guys, welcome to Bizotech. In our last video, we discussed about concepts with regard to calendars. Now in this video, we will be solving problems on the same topic. So before I get into problem solving, I just want you to make sure that you remember the table of odd. So this is very important when it comes to problem solving. Sunday corresponding to value 0 and Saturday corresponding to value 6. So 0 is nothing but 7 because you know there are 7 days in a week. So this is the basic concept that you need to carry in order to problem solving. So now let's directly start with the first problem. Today is Monday. If today is Monday, after 61 days, it will be which day? So there are two ways of problem that you can see. One is in with kind of reference and the other one is with regard to normal calendars. Anyways, we will see that as we proceed further. So you have four options for this: Tuesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So now let's look into the solution part of it. You know that a week has 7 days, so they have given after 61 days it will be which day. So the closest to 61 will be 63, which is 7 nines are 7 nines are 63. So after 9 weeks, so that is a 9 set of 7 days, again it will be Monday. So that means it will be Monday again on 63rd day. So but they have asked you to calculate which day it will be on 61st day. So you have went 2 forward, so just go back. So if you go 2 forward, it will be Monday on 63rd day, and on 62nd day it will be Sunday. On 61st day it should be very obvious Saturday. So anyways, each day of the week is repeated after 7 days. So after 63 days it will be Monday, after 61 days it will be Saturday. Or you can also solve it this way. You have 61 divided by 7. Then take 8, which is 56. And then you have remaining 5. You know Monday value is 1. And then you need to add 5 for that, which gives you value is equal to 6. And now the value corresponding to 6 will be Saturday. You can solve in any way which makes sure and which you feel comfortable with. So that gives you the right option answer D, Saturday. I hope this is clear and I'll be moving on to the next problem. Find the number of odd days in 123 days. And here you have different options, and then before getting into solution part, this is about the odd days. The number of days more than complete number of weeks is given period or odd days. So extra days will be odd days. So what they have given, they have asked you to calculate the number of odd days in 123. Simple. You know 7 days makes a week. So 7 17s you will have 1 1 9. So how many days? 4 odd days. That's very simple and you have your answer right away. So these are all very basic questions which you should be solving something like 5-10 seconds as soon as you look at the numbers. So and this is how it will be solved. Next, let's move on to the third problem. Which of the following is not a leap year? And now I don't have to explain you because it's been in the concept very clear. 400, if it's divisible by 400 or 4, the year is said to be a leap year. 400 for centuries and 4 for normal years. So let's see which are all those years. And we can directly solve here itself. 1600. So if you divide it by 400, and then what happens? So 2 zeros will go, and then 16 will go in 4. So this is a leap year. They have asked which is not a leap year. 1996 and then again 96. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, the whole number is divisible by 4. So this is also a leap year. Then 2004. 2000, you take 2000. It's obviously divisible because I told you century year, and 4, this is divisible by 4. And there is this year obviously which should not be divisible by 4. Anyways, if you check, 2000 will be divisible, but 100 will not be divisible by 4. It will have 5 odd days. You know this concept. So that means this is not a leap year. So that's been given in the solution as well, which is giving you the right answer option. 2100 is not a leap year because it's not divisible by 400. So that will be the right answer. Now let's move on to the next question, number 4. The calendar for the year 2017 will be the same for the year. Which year? So they have given corresponding options. So I told you 2017 or 2007 or 2020, 27, whichever the year, it has to be having the same calendar with some other year. So then it has to start with the same day, unlike the other year. So in order to calculate this, you can't do this manually because you will not be provided with a calendar. So you have to do it with this concept in solution. Count the number of odd days from the year 2017 onwards to get the sum equal to 0 odd day. So whichever the year will come up to be 0 odd days, so that will be the year. So how to find out that? Very simple. 2017, you have to check whether it's a leap year or not. So 2000, it will be divisible, and 7 by 4. So it's not a leap year. So ordinary year will have one odd day. So you know that now. So 2017, one odd day, 2008, two odd days, because it's a leap year. So 2000 is divisible and 8 is divisible by 4. So it's a leap year 2. Then one odd day, 1, 1. So you have to calculate until you get 0 odd days when you divide it by 7. So 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's not giving 7, it's giving us 8. So again, this will not be possible. So go forward on calculation. So if it's not 7, then it will be 14. So when you sum up all these years from 2007 to 2017, you will get 14 odd days. And when you divide it by 7, it will give you 0 odd days. So the same year like 2017 will not be 2017 because it's considered under odd days calculation. It will be the next year. So which means 2018 will be the year same as 2007. So that will give you the right answer option, option D. Now let's move on to question number 5. On what dates of May 2001 did Thursday fall? So you know it's a general thing that every week will have at least 4 days when it comes to Thursday. So you'll have corresponding options also, but you don't have to panic thinking that you have to calculate all the days. You just have to get one Thursday right, and then you just have to keep on adding 7 and you get the right answer. Anyways, let's look into solution. So whenever it comes to 2001, split it according to century years. 2000, this will be divisible by 400, so 0 odd days. And then 2001, 1 year you cannot consider because it's a period in the same year. It's not complete yet. So 11 2001 to 15 2001. In this you have to calculate the total number of odd days. So 2000 is divisible, so 0 odd days. And when you go to 2001, start from January. January will have 31 days, which means if you divide it by 7, 7 4s are 28, and you'll have 3 odd days. So same way, January will have 3 odd days, and then February will have 0 because 28 will be completely divisible, and then March 3 odd days, April 2 odd days, and then May, 1st May they have given, so 1. So you can add all of this, 6, 8, 9, 9 divided by 7, 2 odd days. Or you can add all of them or get 121 divided by 7. So but our role is to make calculation easier. So 2 odd days is given. So now what does that mean? 2 is corresponding to which day? Tuesday. So May 1st is a Tuesday. So that basically gave you the right answer. If May 2nd is Tuesday, which day will be Thursday? So then if May 1st is Tuesday, which day will be Thursday? So now you know that you have to add 2 odd days. And then 1st May is Tuesday, 2nd May will be Wednesday, and 3rd May will be Thursday. So the first day will be 3. And there is only one answer option starting from 3rd. So your right answer option will be 3rd, 10th, 17th, 24th and 31st. So this is how you calculate different number of days on any particular year or month. But you have to make sure that you remember the table of odd and also know the concepts very well. So with this, we will wind up this video, and in our next video we will solve some more creative problems based on calendars. Thank you so much for watching.